What are you doing?
As you can see, I want to eat my boyfriend.
Let me tell you, you don't even have the right to command me in my own father's house. Don't you ever try it, and don't touch this thing again. What's the meaning of all this?
Why are you doing this now? I'm just trying to tell you. Just ordinary command.
You said what? Ordinary command.
Okay, now you remove my hand back because I'm nothing to you now. I'm nothing to you. You have many other girls out there. Don't worry, I will show you something in this house.
You don't know what I'm going to beg and that water can cut on. If I happen to think when you're bata kita, then you know also going to find out. Beg how work and cut away, you. Bunda.
Cavani pass ball now.
Stop. There's presently no food in this house. I want to cook for Papa. Baby, talk now.
Baby. I swear, don't you ever try to call me baby again. Who is your baby?
I'm not tormenting you. I just want someone so that I can go and cook soup for
See,
Papa.
let me warn you for the last time. Stop tormenting my life. What is this all about? You say you want to do what?
I want to cook soup for Papa.
Okay. Am I the papa? Go and collect money from Papa and cook food for him now. Stop. Leave my life alone. I'll beat you now. Leave me alone. Now wow. Which kind of wahala be this one, Kwan? Madam Anzuike na been there, Kwan. You want to use me? Mind yourself, oh. If you want to cook soup, go and collect money from him, not me. Kika me soup with family ho.
Fizzy. Fizzy.
Papa. I want to go somewhere. Is there any problem?
But can you tell me no come on na to beg? Can you tell me the fan
Papa, I don't understand. I don't understand.
They can't give me auto. When you can fit in to go. When you fit in na
Papa.
Kero kan kero
Faith. Papa, what is that your question again?
As in number na jo ajo apu mmiri no ko ife fumpu no na so wado ma ajo are gba ye dey ise na enu ife ngara onye ka Faith wuto yi onye ka owo ebe no
Papa, the Faith. Papa, she's my girlfriend.
Yeah, as in your true guy, your love, your wife, or girlfriend, because you don't call her. I wouldn't know.
Papa, she's just my girlfriend now.
Okay. Can you family you happy and good not ever?
Papa, Faith is my girlfriend, not my wife. Though she has her own family. So I will not be carrying her like Juju. Juju na bare.
Yesterday, because yesterday in Kenya, come no call back near go see you. Only Buchale, bring for cover Kima one mother. You only bloom like even money and the government here, sir.
Papa, I don't have money.
It's an agreement. You want to go?
I don't have money. That's why.
Come on to judge on your dagger, go see you. Go see you, na going on idea. Actually, I want one family, man. How come you why you judge on your dagger?
Like I said before, Papa, I have meeting. I have somewhere important.
No, not
that I'm leaving, Papa. I have some important thing to attend now. I need to go now.
I
know, Faith, you'll be the one that will lock this door.
My friend.
Faith!
I'm sure I get on. I'm a knee for you. I'm a number one knee at the pillows of people. iweta ha ego nye da girl nwodo onye ahụhụ ya rịpụ n'ụlọ ebe a ka onye ọ naghị ana agụ ya agụ onye ọnụ
Papa, open door for me now.
Jeche ego nye da girl gozie ama na agụ na gị na-eme na agụ ha jeche ego nye gozie ndị gị rie ọkwa ifuru ka ya ọzọ nye ya gbalịa mmiri wee fọ jeche ego nye.
What kind of nonsense is this? Open this. I want to go out. I want to go out, Papa. Get from this. You see this girl, Faith? Faith, you come.
Papa.
On a fixé abatable.
Abatable, Papa.
You talk who say Jijaba?
Yes, Papa. You have not even seen anything. You used to come back late.
You mean, Maria? So what do I have to come on Luna? Woman, I have to. Who will kill up with Jedna? Come on, stop weekend.
No, Papa. Let me just tell you.
Have I another? So what do I do?